Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia and today we are making TigerMilk Boba Tea. Now there are many ways of making this tea, so keep that in mind while you're watching this. I'm just showing you how I make mine. I start off by warming my milk, and once it's at a simmer, I like to add my tea bags. I'm using decaffeinated black tea, but you can use whatever tea you want. And I just let it seep for a little bit, and once I'm done allowing it to seep, I pour it into a Pyrex measuring cup and I just cover it and place it in the fridge. You don't have to keep the tea bags in there, but I do. And then I'm going to be working on my syrup, so I add in a little bit of water and some brown sugar, and I just bring it to a simmer on medium heat and allow the syrup to kind of thicken and the sugar to dissolve, and of course the water evaporates a little bit, and then I just turn off the heat. Next to a boiling pot of water, I add in my black tapioca pearls, and I'm just following the instructions on the package. You follow the instructions on your package, and I just cook them exactly like the package says, and then I'm going to strain them and rinse them with cold water and add them back into the syrup. And once you add them to the syrup, you just want to heat it up again and let the syrup thicken again, because once you add the bobas, the syrup kind of gets a little bit loose, so you want it to thicken up again. Once your syrup is nice and thick, I start layering in the boba and the brown sugar into my cup, and make sure you get the syrup on the sides of the glass or whatever container you're using, but you do want it to be see-through just so you can see the tiger stripes. So if you just make this tea, you don't have to add the tea portion to it. You can just add milk without adding the tea. I don't know if that's making any sense. So I'm adding the bobas. I made sure the syrup was all around. I added some ice. I like mine with light ice. And now I'm just pouring my cooled milk tea and some heavy cream. And just like that, you have TigerMilk Boba Tea. So I don't have profound stripes because my milk is actually infused with tea. So if you use just the milk, I think you'll have more profound stripes. So I hope you guys give this video a try. Make sure you guys are subscribed, give it a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.